Fredericksted Pier, about 5 minutes to 6. Just before, we're on October 15th, just before Omar's hitting. We've had hurricane warnings all day here in St. Croix in the U.S. Virgin Islands.
Curfew 4 minutes.
The wind's just barely starting to pick up. You can see the palm trees are just starting to move right now. We've had a lot of steady rain, nothing really horrible or heavy yet. And a couple hours, everything's gonna change. It's gonna be really nasty and really bad. So we'll keep you posted.
Come on, girls. Yell at them.